There's a woman named Nahata Swapi, a dedicated master weaving committed to her craft. Her mother Nora and her mentor, who instilled the value of their culture after a year of learning. She learned how to weave. She make beautiful weave, and her mother always praised her.
Many days passed. There's an older man who walked past into the Rata's place. In curiosity, he knocked the gate. Minute passed. Nora walked outside and recognized the older man, the respected community elder in their community. Nora opened the gate and let him walk into the garden and led into the house. He saw the Rata's work and amazed, and since then, Elder Allen supported her and her efforts she puts in her work.
Good afternoon po, Kuya. May I ask who's the creator of this book? It's so ganda kasi.
Si Ma'am Dorata Sawawi po at siya rin po may-ari nito.
Sige, sige. Thank you po, Kuya.
Baklay.
Days passed. The workshop became low and the Rata feels discouraged and thinking
Good
she will
afternoon
quit
po,
weaving
Kuya.
and
May
close
I
the
ask
shop.
what happened po? Lord, hi! May stock po ba kayo para sa learning weaving po, Miss? Magsasarang kami niya. But why?
Papi, I just noticed that you are not okay. Whatever it is that you are going through, I know you'll get through it. Please don't give up because you have a beautiful talent and there are people around you who will help you. Don't allow yourself to be consumed by sadness.
Many months passed. Leela slowly posts about cultural festival showcasing the weaving.
Look, oh, this is perfect for you. Think of it. This festival can notice the culture of yours and can make a big impact.
As the day passed, Darhata started making her artwork. She pours her heart into creating a breathtaking piece that tells the story of her ancestor. The day has come. Many people join the festival, and all of their artworks are very beautiful.
Our national living treasure is Darhata Sawabi!
As the day passed, Leela noticed that Darhata is getting weaker.
Layla, you will be the one who manage my shop. And can you please my burial will be my mother's house and put my first wave at the top of my dead body.
After giving all her final instruction, Narhata finally passed away on March 12, 2005.
passed, the workshop is now owned by Lily. She continued the legacy of her savior and inspiration. In life, Dorothy's legacy as a master weaver is solidified as she continued to mentor Lily and others.